Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik. In this video I am going to teach you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint for beginners. This is a beginner step-by-step tutorial for people who don't know how to use PowerPoint or who are new to Microsoft PowerPoint. So I am using Microsoft PowerPoint 360. The controls and options are pretty similar in other versions of Microsoft PowerPoint. So first of all, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Then click on this blank presentation. Then click on this empty area, then Ctrl+A and then hit delete, or you can simply click on this corner, hit delete, and then click on this line and hit delete. Now here you can change its size and its design, its background, and many things more. So go to design from the top bar. These are some quick templates or designs, pre-made designs. You can select one of them. You can select this one, or this one. There are many pre-made templates inside this Microsoft PowerPoint 365 version, and other versions also have these templates within it. Either way, you can use these pre-made templates, or you can even create your own one. So we are going to start with blank template. So click on file and on blank template. Get rid of this again, go to design, then go to format background. Here you can change. When you click on format background, this option will open. It is solid filled, and then click on the colors. Color will be changed to your selected one. You can select any color you want to be the background of your PowerPoint presentation, or you can select on gradient fill and select some color. These are pre-made or pre-filled gradients. You can select one of them. Then there is a slider here. You can slide it toward right, left to change the way it fills the background. Even you can delete one of them. Click on it and hit on delete. Or you can add some more effect and change its color as well. Click on this and then go to color fill and change this to anything you want to be the center of this. Just want to show you how to change the background. The third option is picture or texture. When you click on picture or texture, it changes to some texture. Here you can change the textures. These are pre-made or pre-loaded textures from Microsoft. You can even insert image, select an image as your background for your presentation. If you want to set an image in the background, click on picture or texture fill, then click on insert and file from a file. Click on from a file and then upload a file from your laptop or PC. I am going to upload some random file to show you how it works. Click on select some image from your library. I am selecting this one. You can see the background has been changed to picture. Let's insert some more interesting one. Go back to Creative Fabrica, then space, cute unicorn, cute case media. Just click on this. There are many patterns. I have downloaded these images from Creative Fabrica. This is how you can change the background of your Microsoft PowerPoint slide. If you want to change its size, then simply click on design, then click on slide size, then click on custom slide size, and here are some pre-made slide sizes like on show, letter paper, ledger, A3, A4, and even you can select your own one by entering the values for width and for the height of your slide. I'm going to enter into 6, its width 6, and its height will be 9 inches, 6 into 9 inches presentation. Then click on OK, and then click on ensure fit. You can see the slide has been changed to its new sizes. If you want to duplicate the slide, then click on this and right click and duplicate slide, or from the keyboard select Ctrl+D. These are two commands. Or even you can go to insert and then click on new slide and select some pre-made layouts, or even select blank slide. This will be different from this. You can change its background as well and set a different background for this template or this slide like this. This is how you can change the background and select different slide sizes. I am gonna change the slide size to like this, 16 to 9. Ensure fit. Now I'm gonna set widescreen or standard. This is now the next thing is to add some text or some other elements here on your slide. Let's change the background. It is not looking very cool. Change the background picture to solid fill and change the color to white, and here change the so now I'm going to enter some text. Then go to insert and then go to text box. Then by holding your mouse, just drag here, left click and drag. You can add some text. My PowerPoint slide. Okay, this is some random text I am adding. Select centered, then go to here from home, change its size like this. This will be title. Then you can simply click on this and then Ctrl+D from the keyboard to duplicate this. Select Control plus A, then change the text to subtitle or things like that. You can change its size, text size, by going here and add some text as you like. Then also you can change its font from here to any font you like to select. This is how you can add some text by using text box. You can even enter some, just get rid of these slides, these are distracting me. Change, you can add some word art. Click on this. I am entering my own name, Subha, Malik. Then you can change its color to any color you want to select. Then change the outline color. Like this. Then left click and drag. So it's not allowing me to drag. Just go to home and increase its size like this. Then click here and drag toward the left and select this and line this center. Then click on the box here, go to shape format, then go to text effects. Here are many effects like shadow, and then is reflection, then glow. You can add very beautiful glow to your text and change the glow color accordingly, like this. So I'm going to go more glow colors and yellow. You can also go to text effects, transform, and change the way it looks. It is arc. You can see it is very beautiful looking text. And there are many options you want to learn, and one of them is, just go duplicate this slide first, get rid of this text box. Then the main and my favorite thing in Microsoft PowerPoint is shapes. Go to insert, go to insert, then you go to shapes, and there are many shapes and many options are here. Just click on this shape, left click and draw like this. Then you can go to shape format, change its fill color to any other color. Then go to outline. Here you can even select no outline, or even you can select some colors of this outline. Then there are effects for outline. Click on this and go to weight and change its weight like this. And you can even change this shape. Just click on this shape, shape format, and click on edit shape. Click on edit points. Points are enabled. Then you can click on one point, and these are handles. Just change these handles like this. Rotate these handles to change the shape for all together. You can see how beautifully and easily this shape is changing into something different. This is the beauty of PowerPoint. I really love this software. This is how you can enter text, shapes, word, art,